channel. So today I'm going to be making a mug rasmalai. So let's begin. So in the mug I'm going to be adding full fat milk. So I'm just going to do half. So for the rest I'm going to add evaporated milk. So it's half milk and half evaporated milk. I'm going to add 2 cardamoms, which I've split in half. So I'm going to pop this in the microwave for 1.5 minutes. So I have a slice of white bread, so I'm going to cut some circles. So I've made small circles, so I'm going to now just press together 3 circles to make okay, this is the perfect size. They don't have to be perfectly round, so I'm just going to pop these on the side. Okay, this is now out of the microwave. I'm going to add a couple of teaspoons of sugar. If you need to add more, you can. So the sugar is now mixed in, so we're going to let this rest for a bit. So once the milk has slightly cooled down, we're going to add our bread pieces. So we're just going to allow this to soak for a few seconds. So here we have our quick mug rasmalai. Hope you guys give it a try, and thanks guys for watching.